Okay, here is all my farm animals. Hey there, chicken. Chicken. Chickens. Guineas. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Guineas. Guineas. For all you city people out there, these things are very, very weird. Guinea. Big boy. Goober. Hey there, Goober puppy. She is a chocolate lab, and she is 7 years old. Rose. That is a Great Pyrenees puppy. She is 4 years old. Hey there, Rose. Yeah. Here is my... There's Rose again. How you doing, Rose? Bye, Bunny Rabbit. Mackenzie. There's Rose again. Devil stuff. Roscoe. Take.
Too chicken.
These are our new chickens. Or our newest chickens. And that is all my farm animals.
Bigfoot.
But I also do have peacocks down at the barn. Join into my next video about them.